Merit continues to bring solutions to our wholesalers by working with our vendor partners. As the premier global stainless nipple producer, we sought out the world's highest quality manufacturer of 150-pound stainless steel fittings, known as Kingdom Flow Control, to mate with our nipples. Today, we continue to be the exclusive USA distributor of Kingdom Flow Control, and we are pleased to announce that our stainless steel 150-pound offering is now proudly manufactured from Vietnam. Kingdom Flow Control, our trusted vendor for nearly 25 years, has expanded its operation to Vietnam. They now produce both the ISO Heavy and MSS SP 114 patterns at this new facility. Our Vietnam-made 150-pound stainless steel fittings are now readily available at all of our locations in sizes ranging from 1/8 inch through 4 inch in both Type 304 and Type 316 stainless steel. The ISO Heavy pattern and the MSS SP 114 fittings are certified to ASTM A351. In addition, these fittings are low lead certified through NSF International, ensuring you both safety and compliance. Stainless steel 150-pound fittings are a low-cost, corrosion-resistant material that allows for ease of installation. For more information on Merit's 150-pound stainless steel fitting offering, please contact us at 800-726-9800 or visit our website at www.meritbreast.com/pipe fittings.